Easy green gram curry recipe. This recipe is very easy and we don't need grinded coconut to make this tasty recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of washed and soaked green gram. Add 2.5 cup of water, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it medium flame. Then add 4 chopped garlics, 3 red chilies cut into halves. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 8 sliced shallots, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. For more thickness, we are also adding 1 sliced onion. Saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
We don't want to saute until the onion turns to light golden color. Just saute it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. Then add half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute. Now add the previously cooked green gram to it. Mix it well. Now add 1.5 cup of warm water. Mix it well. You can also check the salt and add if need more salt at this time. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can open the lid. Now switch off the flame. Our easy green gram curry is ready. This recipe is very easy and we don't need grinded coconut to make this tasty recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.